What's up, guys? So I decided to replace my coils with the MSD replacement coils for quite a few reasons. Number one, I got a misfire on cylinder number 4, and at some times while I'm idling, I would hear it pop, like, just be sitting there and then it would pop. And then also, my idle will be rough. After I come to a stoplight, the car would just act like it's about to stumble on itself, and it would just, the idle would kind of get real funky. Also, the car really didn't seem so healthy when it was on boost occasionally. It would just sound like it's going into ignition cut, or just really unhealthy. Like I could tell, okay, I'm having an issue here, so I'm putting one and one together and said, all right, I'll probably just go ahead and replace the coils because, I have the GearHead Power Pack. So only thing left would be the coils for the reason of those issues. So went ahead and picked them up. They were cheaper than the Motorcraft. They're $90 each. And the MSD replacement coils came out to less than $300. So, for me, it's a no-brainer. Whenever I have an item go bad, or a part go bad, I usually like to upgrade versus putting back the OEM parts. Just because keep up with upgrading and wanting to put on better and stronger parts. The new coils, the MSD coils, actually definitely improved my idle, man. This thing sounds smooth, much smoother now. Idle is really quiet compared to what I'm used to with this setup. And that farting that I used to get at 3,000 RPM is no longer there, oddly enough. I had no indication or no idea that farting sound would be linked to my ignition system of the coils, because it just sound like exhaust scavenging. So now that I have the GearHead Tune and I have the MSD coils, the RPMs, they sound a lot cleaner. Everything sounds and feels a lot cleaner. The transition into power, and it's a lot smoother. So definitely was a good buy. All right, so why don't we have a look at the coils and how it sounds.